Dun, 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 dun. You see these meats? I'm gonna make steaks. Buy this meat today. They're very expensive, to be honest. More expensive than other piece of meat, but perfect. So we are going to use this small oven toaster. It looks a little dirty, but still working good. We should not judge anyone based on their face, but we can just by the name, Tiros. So should be good. So first of all, we are going to make the sauce for the steak. We're having, let's see, Italian seasoning. Actually, if you don't have it, it's fine too. We have black peppers. We have pepper chili flakes, should I say. We have salt. And then we have very important thing here, like oyster sauce. Okay. So let's just put everything in. To be honest, I don't even measure. Like, I just measure by eye, so. Maybe a little more. And I got pepper flakes inside. Oh no, chili flakes. Oh my god, why do I always say it wrong? Chili flakes inside. And now salt. Just 1 teaspoon of salt, I think. And then we're going to put oyster sauce inside. Oyster sauce. Okay. Now mix them all together. Of course, you always have to clean your hands first before doing these things. I've already cleaned my hands. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Now we are going to put our amazing meat inside. I'm making 2 pieces of meat. Where does this come from? Oh my god. I think it looks good. I think they look good, yeah. And now we are going to let these delicious pieces of meat to marinate in about 15 to 30 minutes. So while we are waiting for the steak to be marinated, let's make some bread to eat with them. I have butters and cheddar cheese here, so it's going to be good. Okay, I think it's enough time. Let's put it in the oven toaster. So the trick here is to use parchment paper. Parchment paper on. Now put a little oil on it. Just little, please, little. Okay, this should be enough. Now, you would like to roll your piece of meat onto the oil, on the parchment paper, like this. Important thing here is you have to preheat your oven first. So put it into 230 degrees Celsius. Doesn't matter how many minutes because we're just preheating it. Okay, now that it's preheated, let's put our steak in. Be very careful. Now we are going to grill this one for 10 minutes or 11 minutes, depends on the thickness, the portion of your meat. It's only been like 6 minutes, but I feel like maybe it's enough. I don't know. I don't know. This is an experiment. Wow. Let's see if 8 minutes was a right decision or not. So hard to pick it up. My God. There's still juice coming out. I think it's good. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, go.